Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A53, and today I'll show you how to record your screen on this device. And to get started, let's find the toggle in our notifications, which for me it looks like it's right on the first page of the toggles, right over here. And before you tap on it, you can hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can customize how it exactly works. So we have sounds. We can choose to record the system sounds and also the microphone. I will though mention here, because there is not really anything that would tell you, I believe, right? Oh no, it does. Okay. So if you try to record both of the sounds, I would strongly advise you use headphones, because if you choose to have the sound come out through the speakers of the device itself will record the internal sound, which is based on the system. It's not listening to the speakers, it's just recording it because it knows it's there. So it will record that, then the sound goes through the speakers, and it also records your microphone, which will in turn be picking up the sound from the speakers, so it will cause this unwanted echo effect. So for the best quality of recording, if you choose to have both of them, do use headphones for that. This will in turn cut out the unwanted echo effect from the sound. And then below that we have the video resolution. Now it looks like we have only medium and low, and 720 is the highest we can go. And if you're recording at medium, I will go to custom and set it to be 16 megabits per second. This will ensure the best quality. Now this quality will only be seen in fast-paced movement. So if you're playing games, I would advise you to max that out. If you're planning to record something like your home screen and just swiping between pages, it's not as important. The resolution also, I would keep it at max, especially that on this device it doesn't really affect the overall size of the file. So as you can see right now, with the max out settings of video recording, 5 minutes will take 600 megabytes of storage. That is a rough estimate, but I have tested it before on a different device from them, and this is fairly correct. So if you pay attention right now, it is at 600 megabytes, and if I drop the resolution to the lowest, it stays at 600 megabytes. So the resolution doesn't really affect the size of the file, so max it out. Basically, without any question, max it out. The bitrate will be something that is really dependent. If you're recording, like I said, your home screen, you can drop it to 8, maybe 4. Anything lower will just look like utter garbage. But if you want to have best quality, go for 16. And if you're planning to record gameplays, do not consider any option lower than 16. Then moving out of this, we have also front camera. So if you want, we can enable this, and this will create a little bit of a circle that will use the front-facing camera to record your face, and then show screen touches. The screen touches are a bit of an iffy subject. If you're planning to record gameplays, I would disable it. If you're planning to record some kind of guide on how to do something for someone, then keep it on, because this will show when you're and where you are tapping the screen by creating this semi-transparent gray dot on the screen where your finger is. So I'm going to keep it on for this purpose, and once all that is set, we can simply leave the settings and now go back to the toggle, turn it on. Now when you're doing this for the first time, it will want access to basically everything that it will need. So screen recording, yep, screen recording, cool. So it needs access to media, microphones, storages, and all that stuff. And from here, it will bring up this panel. And obviously you have 3 different options: record, settings, and close. So we already went over the settings, but now we can tap on record. And well, there I am. As you can see, this is the face recording right here, and you can move it around, and whatever else I will do will be recorded right as well. Now, as you can obviously see, there was no setting for frame rate, and the frame rate is quite atrocious, I might say. But other than that, it does do the job. Now, once you're done with recording, you can tap right over here and click on the stop, and this will fully stop the recording and save it. And the saved footage that you have captured can be found in your photo gallery under, I believe it's going to be screenshots. Yep, there it is. So I will mute it myself. And you can clearly see that this is the recording. I'm not touching the screen, and it's basically repeating what I have done. So that is basically how you would record your screen. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.